2-3 dispatch. Who's available right now?
Hi, sir.
Go ahead. Dispatch, get a call for City Hall. There's going to be people out there recording and also looking into vehicles with recorders.
I'm just receiving the call from the security company at this moment.
Copy that.
5-7, copy call for a silent panic alarm at 112 Bowman, 112 Bowman at City Hall.
2357, just be tactful. They have cameras.
Have them repeat.
Be tactful. They have cameras.
I copy.
Hello folks, this video comes from Truth Be Told Audits. As you guys know, he was detained by Kirby Police Department here in Kirby, Texas, a little while back, unlawfully detained, and currently there is a complaint being investigated by the Chief of Police. But in the meantime, we figured we would go to Kirby City Hall, do some filming, do some First Amendment stuff, this, that, and the other, and also we wanted to check the vehicles in the parking lot and make sure that people had their vehicles locked, and also they didn't have any valuables out where thieves could see them. A little bit of theft prevention. Enjoy the video and go subscribe to Truth Be Told Audits. I've worked with him a few times already. He does have what it takes, and he's not going to be like, me yelling and acting a fool all over the place. It looks like he has a pretty good niche down, in that he's going to be more intellectual and polite and things like that, kind of like your other favorite auditors that are more peaceful, I guess, as a way to put it. But go to his channel and check it out, and look out for more content coming from Truth Be Told Audits. Enjoy.
All right, people, we're here at Kirby City Hall. Got Texas Sheepdog with me.
What's up, guy?
We're going to be doing a First Amendment audit, and as well getting an open records request and hopefully a officer complaint form for a previous interaction that I was involved with. And we are going to see if they respect our rights to record in public. And we're going to see how this goes today. And yeah.
Hey man, let me tell you, man, give a shout out to this guy. Truth Be Told, right? This is
Truth Be Told Audits.
Mm-hmm. I saw him get detained by Kirby Police Department a little while back, and they detained him, and it was obvious that why the officer detained him. He detained him basically for filming. Said it was interfering. He didn't get arrested, but he got handcuffed and put in the car for a while, and then he was coerced to give his identification under threat of arrest. So, it happened. We've contacted the chief about it. I haven't heard anything back. Just contacted her again today, see if she wanted to respond to any of the concerns that I mentioned to her, as far as bringing him out into the street to pat him down. The demeanor, the fact that the police initiated the conversation and then turned around and handcuffed him because he asked a question. The officer told him to hurry, and he said, "Is that a lawful order?" And then he gets handcuffed. So anyway, we're here, man. He's going to do his thing. I'm going to be backup camera today, and we're going to see how this goes.
All right, awesome, people. Getting out of the vehicle. We're going to go do a First Amendment audit. Kirby City Hall. Information on the outside doors. Information for the public. Pamphlets for the public. How you doing? How you doing? Waterworks. Quartz chambers. Awesome people. Face mask for the people. I had one guy behind me in the office calling and informing somebody, don't know who yet, but I'm recording. About to find out. How you doing, sir? Is this where we get open records request? I need to get a request, and where do we file the officer complaint form? Do we do that here, or do we go to Kirby Police Department? Okay, let me go and start with the open records request, if I can, sir. And what's your name?
Sorry?
What's your name?
My name is Marcus.
Marcus.
Yeah. There's some pins there, you can fill that out.
All right, I'll probably bring it back if that'll be all right. Okay. All right, awesome people. Not a very big building. Some people.
Any issues yet? Any issues yet?
Yeah, they do the officer complaint forms at the Kirby Police Department.
Any issues with filming or anything yet?
No.
Okay. So just let me know when you're done here.
All right.
Hey, can I want to build a fence, and I don't know what the rules are on like the height and all that stuff. Like my house already has an 8-foot fence already, but that was put in by the previous owner.
Your Texas sheepdog in the background.
But I don't know how that works because I know there's restrictions and stuff like that. So
There is, the ordinances and stuff are online right now. The person speaking should be at the office on Thursday.
shit, okay, all right, that's
So
good.
my understanding is you're going to replace the fence with the exact same fence?
Yeah, exact same
line and
height.
everything?
Yeah, it's just a replacement of what's there.
There won't be a permit for that.
There is a portion of the fence, like in the backyard, it's wooden.
Getting
And
information.
then there's about a 24-foot where it's chain link. And because I guess for whatever reasons they didn't have the money or whatever to go all the way across, so that chain link, I'm gonna take that down and just continue the 8 foot along that back there.
Yeah,
So that's my
yeah,
question.
just to make sure that.
Because that would be new construction, right?
Yeah, probably
Okay.
the right thing to do, just to make sure.
Yeah.
She'll be in on Thursday, but if you want to shoot her an email, or you can, just give us a call and.
Okay.
ask for her, she can confirm.
Cool. In fact, the construction that's there, the infrastructure on it is for 6 feet. That's why it's doing this.
Gotcha.
So I'm gonna make it for 8-foot infrastructure the correct way, so.
Right. Yeah.
The poles are only sunk like this far in the ground. Yeah, it's stupid.
So they're all.
Yeah, so. All right, cool. No, I appreciate you. Thank you.
All right.
So they didn't have no issues with you filming or anything?
Yeah, no issues at all. When I did walk in, the guy that you were just talking to at the first desk, he looked back at somebody in another room and was saying, "Hey, there's somebody out here recording." I don't know who he was talking to.
okay.
I don't know if he was trying to get anybody or.
Walk around and see what the city hall's like.
All right. No smoking.
I see a sidewalk here.
see people how it actually has a city ordinance. On most signs, they have to have a city ordinance sometimes in order to back up the law that they are trying to enforce. Most of the time, sometimes it's, just a sign, usually authorized personnel only. Clearly, there's no signs.
But wait, there is more. But in order to see how this turned out, you need to go over to Truth Be Told Audits. Check it out. It'll be the Kirby City Hall video. See who responded and how this was handled. City Hall did hit the panic button and summon the police. So you guys got to check it out over there.